Dlathu takes legal action against HIV Cure scam. Dlathu is spitting fire over a fraudulent HIV Cure scam that has linked his picture to its social media advertising. The entrepreneur and radio personality shared a screenshot of the advertisement doing the rounds on Facebook with his picture on it. Dlathu expressed disappointment over the fiasco, saying that people need to focus on building their own brands. "I am extremely disappointed at how our brothers and sisters are taking shortcuts to make money while being predators of our brands we have worked so hard to build." He added that he works very hard on a daily basis to build his brand only for fraudsters to jump on the bandwagon. "It is a disappointment to be taken advantage of in such a manner. I have taken legal action against the perpetrators and I have been advised by my legal team to not say anything further."
Yeah.